How to create gallery in Wix. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create gallery in Wix. So first of all, just open your Wix website and here just click on edit your site, and after that you will be down to this page, and here you just have to click on the plus icon at the top and click on add elements, and now you will see this option called gallery. Just click on it, and here under the drop down you will see this option called Pro Galleries. Just click on it, and now just select any of the template given right here. I'm selecting this one, and now as you can see that the Wix Pro Gallery template is on my site, and after that you can adjust and manipulate the settings according to your need. So here you will see the option called manage media settings and this stretch mark. So if you click on stretch, you will see that, and if you enable the settings, you will see the grid will be stretched, and after that just go ahead and click on settings, and now you will see this option called layout, settings, design, advanced and support. So just click on layout, and now you will see there are so many layouts that you can choose and apply to this grid right here, and just click on settings. So you can go ahead and explore these settings and other features in the Wix Pro Gallery and customize the design in the Pro Gallery according to your need. So this is how you will be able to create gallery in Wix. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.